Today we're going to talk about Workbook 6A, Exercise 7. This is the last in our series of solid figures, and so the last opportunity you'll have to see my lovely drawings of these nets and solids. Today's goal is exactly backwards of what we did yesterday. Today we're doing, or at least the last time when you did Exercise 6, whatever day that was for you, today we're taking a net and trying to see which solid can be formed from that net. Now, whereas when we did exercise 6, we found that one solid could be broken down into different nets, right? You could cut it different ways and cut it on different lines, and it could unfold into different shapes. But when you have a net, it will only fold to one solid. Only one. So of these options, we're trying to find the one that will work. Well, there's a couple of ways you can eliminate things really quickly. One is the fact that I need to have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. This figure only has rectangles. This figure has all triangles, no rectangles. This figure doesn't have 3 rectangles or 2 triangles, and so I'm pretty much down to 1. There are 2 triangles, there are 3 faces that are rectangles, and that's what this is going to fold up to become. Whether or not you can picture the fold is a little bit of a different question, but it's easy to tell what solid is formed, in this case especially, because it's the only solid that we're given that has at least the minimum requirements of 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Now, certainly it would be great to spend just a moment thinking about how this works. These two are going to match up. These two are going to match up. Then that will put these two next to each other, which will then connect these two, and of course these two are going to connect. Now in my picture they're not the right lengths to connect. In the book's picture it's much nicer. You can use those. Okay, the next topic we'll talk about in 6A is ratio, and I will have much better ability to show that because there's not the drawing involved. So we'll all look forward to not having to look at my drawings. All right, so go ahead and do exercise 7. You're good to go.